Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my Alloy Apparel jeans and pants haul. I have 4 pairs of jeans to show y'all and 1 pair of pants that I got from Alloy, one of my favorite tall girl stores. They have all the nice pants and jeans. So my first pair that I want to show y'all is the Emma Mid-Rise Booty Enhancer. These ones come in medium blue, but this is like the destroyed style because I have the medium blue and destroyed and then like just the regular jean. So I really like these jeans. They have like the cute little, like I said, the destroyed style. Like I like the holes and everything. They real stretchy and they look real nice on my booty. Like I gotta shake it a little bit. I always gotta shake it when I'm trying out new pants to see how they fit. But they come real long. Like I got them scrunched up at the end, and this is the 37 inches. I like for my jeans to be long so that I could wear heels and don't worry about them being high waters or nothing like that. So the stretch on them is real good. Like that's a nice stretch, so they don't seem too loose, but like they hug me in all the right areas. These are like some good pants, some good curvy girl pants. And the rise is kind of like a mid-rise. I really like high-rise pants the most, but these are cute too. So then we have the tall Elana printed pants. These are the only pants that I have. Everything else is jeans. I love these pants. When I tell you I love these pants, I love these pants. These are the printed ones with the flowers all over them. I like the pinks and everything because usually I don't really wear like a lot of printed pants, but I was feeling kind of bold and everything. See me shake it again. I was feeling kind of bold and wanted something like summery. So I got these pants, and like I said, I love them. I got another pair in black and another pair in navy. And they have like bell bottoms, so they kind of sort of like retro, you know. They real stretchy, and the material, let me tell you, is so soft. Like they feel so soft. I don't ever want to take them off. They just mad soft. I love these pants. These is like good pants to, you could wear them out, you could wear them to work. You see my little thing fell in the background, don't pay that no mind. But you could wear them out to work or to just chilling. I mean, they too cute to just be doing not much in, but you know what I'm saying? It's whatever you want to do. Like I said, these are some bomb pants. And they cute. Look at me doing my little retro girl dance. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I got a couple pictures of me, like just still shots of me in these. Because I actually wore them the other day to the beach. And they was real comfortable, real nice. Everything. Love, love, love. I'm telling you. So next I have the Emma Mid-Rise Booty Enhancer Skinny Jeans. And this is the regular medium wash. And they have the wide waistband. Like I think I forgot to say that about the first ones. They exactly like the first ones, but they just don't have like no distress in the denim or anything like that. So color medium blue again. 37-inch inseam. And I have these in the size 9. I forgot to say the pants. Previously, the Elana pants, I have those in a small size 37. And they go up to a 2X. So, that's nice. Okay, so these, just a plain jean. I like the color. I like the wide band. And of course, like, they got my booty popping. Them booty enhancers. I like them. Nice length. Again, they like scrunched up at the bottom, so I could definitely rock my heels and they'll be totally fine. So I just got me shaking it, trying to give y'all up close how I be working it out. Every time I get a new pair of pants though, I always got to shake it a little bit, see how I look from the back, you know. For real though, like these are some nice jeans. Like good quality, they nice and sturdy. Like they don't feel like they're gonna fall apart in the washer or nothing like that. And length. It's all about length. So nice length. I got some cute little still shots to show y'all what I look like without moving and shaking. But they nice. They look real nice. I like the dark blue. Like it's not the darkest blue, but it's like a real good blue, and they like a little bit faded at the thighs. So next I got the tall sienna high waist skinny jeans. I have them in blush, and they is so fly. Like I love these jeans. They's mad dope. The pink is real, it's real soft. Like it's not a bright pink, it's not super pale. Like it's a nice soft pink. The waistband, these are high waisted. I got these in size 7, 37-inch inseam. They go from a size 3 to a size 15, and they available in 35 and 37 inches. There I go, shaking it again. Pop it, pop it, pop it. But the 37 inseam, I always get all my jeans at 37, so they was perfect for me. Good with a pair of heels. The nice waistband is wide, so that's cute too. Like, because I like to wear like thicker belts. I don't know, but these are real cute pants. I love them. I haven't worn them yet, but of course I've been prancing around the house with them, with shoes on and everything, with my nude heels. You know what it is. So I'm about to be shaking it for y'all again. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Let me just work it out for a minute. But the stretch on these is real stretchy. So I think that I could have probably even got like a size 5 instead of a size 7. I'm normally like between a 7 and a 9 these days, but they still feel like a little bit loose to me, but they was fine. Like I'll deal with it. And then I got a couple shots, just still shots. There goes me with my nude heels. Showing my little booty. Little booty matter. Now the last pair of jeans, these ones is my favorite jeans, just to see in the high waist skinny jeans. And this is, now these jeans right here, I wore these for my birthday and I absolutely love them. And let me tell you, I like the dark rinse color. Like I love dark jeans or light jeans. So I like the dark rinse color, and I like the destroyed denim. Like I like the holes on them. I'm trying to show y'all them from the back or whatever. But I have a size 7 37-inch inseam. They available all the way up to a size 19, and they have 32, 35, and 37 inches. So like, you don't necessarily have to be tall to get these jeans, but they are super dope. And I like the high waist. I love the high waist, let me say. So here goes some pictures of me at my birthday rocking my jeans. These is my favorite. I saved the best for last, I promise. But thank y'all so much for tuning in, watching my video. I hope y'all liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.